So my name is Jordan. This is my video response of my semester highlights. So the first thing that I really wanted to talk about was COIL. This is something that I definitely plan on doing in my own classroom. I think COIL is a really great way to expose children to other cultures and diversity while still kind of teaching them core curriculum. It's really kind of fun for them, and I don't think they quite realize that how helpful this can be in the education system. Um, Basically, what I'd want to do with this is partner with a school from another country, maybe do something like a science project, and then as well as kind of expose the kids to that culture and teach them about that culture a little bit as well, kind of expose them to more diversity. The next tool I plan on using is Schoology. I really enjoy Schoology. It's really easy to use, and I think it's great, especially for turning in assignments and things like this, because then students are getting their grades in the same area that they're turning stuff in, so they constantly have that instant feedback. They can monitor their grades, um, that kind of thing. I think that's really important that they have constant and timely access to their grades because the only way they can improve or know that they're falling behind is to monitor that. The third thing that I really loved learning about was Padlet. One way that I really want to use this in my own classroom is I kind of plan on using it to as a platform for kids to ask questions. Um, So, like for online lesson discussions, questions on anything, it basically creates an online forum for children who are more shy or have social anxiety. If they have problems talking in front of the group, they can still kind of get their opinions out there, ask questions, and get the help they need. I think it's a really great way to get all students to participate. The app also functions to block profanity, and you can also make it so it needs post approval, so nothing will get seen by the other students until you approve it. That way, there's no way to bully or have profanity or anything inappropriate. It all is very lesson based, so you don't have to worry about it being a platform for hate or bullying or anything like that because you're able to control what is seen. And it's a really great form of communication between students and teacher. I also really enjoy the use of videos with teaching because there are multiple intelligences. Everyone learns a different way. And by incorporating videos, you're kind of reaching out and catering to another form of learning. Beyond that, it's going to be really interesting and intriguing. When I was a kid, we did a lot of Schoolhouse Rock, which is the photo here. It's the Bill song, and it was a video that went along with the song. It was our teacher's way of introducing us to kind of politics and different things within Congress, how bills become law. And we were all super interested in the topic purely because of the fun, cute video. So great for introductions and kind of keeping interest. And then the final thing I plan on doing is a flipped classroom when it comes to math class. I think this is a subject where kids have very different areas of knowledge. They're at very different levels. And by doing a flipped classroom, it allows them to kind of keep going back, rewatching the lecture. They can watch the videos as often or as little as they need to get help. And then you do the homework and kind of activities and things within class so they can get all the help they need and you are really, really aware of where they're at and where they need help with. But yeah, those are kind of my 5 favorite things that I learned this year, and I hope to implement them all in my future classroom.